Hey everyone, Nick Ogilvy here with Turf Product Solutions, and today we're cleaning a customer's yard that we installed 4 years ago. And as you can hear, the dogs in the background, they really love me talking right now. But so I've been in the industry for artificial turf for over 20 years, and so that's why we developed this broom. And our Turf Product Solutions system is to clean the artificial turf the correct way. This category has been missing for so many years, and we finally developed and came up with a whole entire turf care system that will redo basically your whole entire yard to make it look like it was when it was installed. Artificial turf is a big investment, and so you want to keep it clean and clear. And what this artificial turf broom does is it gets in there, gets all the debris out of the turf, redistributes the infill correctly, and that's big. Not only for standards of just keeping it the cleanliness, but also improves the drainage to like it was when it was first installed. So join me today as we clean this yard and get it ready for spring. What I'm wanting to show you here is one of the reasons why we developed this broom. It's because of these acorns and stuff like this that get in the turf. They're all over, and a blower just can't reach down in there and grab them. And if you do, then all the infill goes with it. So this is going to pick up all these acorns and all this debris and make it just like new. So I want to show you all these little acorns and stuff that picked up just right off that one little spot there. Now, if you buy the entire turf care package, you're going to get one of these handy rakes here too to get these leaves and stuff up around the edges. And this is called the Turf Static Sweep. So it's really doing good on getting all this debris. all these acorns, all this debris. It's even picking up rock that was in the yard from the tree ring. This is all what's in this turf, and it could impede the drainage and actually hurt the turf. So, as you can see, no infill. Well, yeah, maybe just a little, but it's just all the debris in this yard. All these little acorns, stuff like that gets down in the turf and actually hurts the turf, hurts the fibers. We're picking it up and getting it all. I wish y'all could fill this bag. This bag is extremely heavy.